Okay, here we go. Very big yard.
Don't get me in it.
Well, then move behind me. Okay, we walk in. So we already have an offer on this house. The other agent just texted me. Seems to be the case. Everything's going in the first day. So you walk in, kind of have this one kind of floor here, and this other that is like a engineered wood. Little dining room over here to the left. Kind of a pass-through bar into the kitchen and straight out to the pool. Then you have a little office off here to the right. And then a little bit of flooring change here to the master. This is tile that looks like wood. Good size. And then you have the original tile. Goes into here to the bathroom. You have just one walk-in closet. And then a little reach-in closet across the way. And then double sink, tub, and then a walk-around shower. I think the biggest thing is you have a lot of different floorings. Across the living room, into the kitchen. Trying to find some lighting here. Another thing is you have this piece up top for the lighting. Some people get rid of those. Some people are fine with it. Another little living area here, out to the pool. There's a pass-through fireplace that you can have fire on this side and the other side. It's one fireplace. With older appliances. No washer and dryer. Electric cooking. Nice bedroom here. So it's not exactly the same floor plan as Willie's. This is, again, that tile that looks like wood. They left the main area with the original tile and the bedrooms they replaced. Second bath. The walk-in shower. Bedroom number 3. High ceilings in here. High ceilings in all the bedrooms. And then you have another area back here, another room with carpet. They all have the high ceilings. Closet's been turned into a stereo room. Your third full bath. And it leads out to that locked for some reason. We'll go to another spot. It's a nice pool area. Great backyard by the lake. Have a kitchen out here that needs some fixing up. And you are on the main road there. It's not super busy or anything, but that is the main road that goes into your side garage. Okay, here we go.